Welcome to Just Listen, a place where you can take a break from the hustle and bustle of your daily life and unwind. Here, we offer you a chance to relax, let go of all your worries, and indulge in the soothing power of words. So, sit back, make yourself comfortable, and let us take you on a journey that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We bring you a variety of relaxing and inspiring content that is sure to calm your mind and soothe your soul. With each video, we strive to take you on a journey of pure tranquility, helping you discover the peace and serenity within you. So, join us on this journey of self-discovery and relaxation, and let us guide you towards a happier and more fulfilling life. Dear friends, life can be stressful, and it can often seem like the weight of the world is on our shoulders. But in times of stress, we must remember to keep a calm mind and to look for inspiration in unexpected places. Guru Nanak, the founder of the Sikh religion, was a man who understood the power of unity, love, and devotion to a higher power. His teachings and his life story can inspire us to find peace in our own lives, even amidst chaos and stress. As we heard in the story, Guru Nanak was a man who refused to be defined by labels such as Hindu or Muslim. He saw beyond these divisive categories and recognized that we are all one, united by the same divine light that shines within each of us. This message is a powerful one, especially in today's world, where we often get caught up in our differences and forget the common humanity that connects us all. When the governor of the town demanded to know why Guru Nanak was challenging the religious traditions of the time, the Guru replied with a simple yet profound truth. You can't see God in all. You can't see God at all. This message reminds us that when we look for the divine in others, we are more likely to find it. We must learn to look beyond our differences and recognize the light that shines within all of us. Furthermore, the story shows us that true prayer is not just a physical act, but a state of mind. While others around him were going through the motions of prayer, Guru Nanak remained standing, his eyes open, and his mind focused. He saw the world with clarity, recognizing the thoughts and concerns of those around him. He was present in the moment, fully engaged in his own form of prayer. So my friends, when stress and anxiety threaten to overwhelm us, let us remember the lessons of Guru Nanak. Let us strive to see beyond our differences and recognize the light that shines within us and all those around us. Let us focus on the present moment and find peace in our own unique way. With these teachings in mind, we can face any challenge with strength, resilience, and grace.